Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Hasselblad strap for your Hasselblad medium format camera. So these are lug heads for the Hasselblad. This is a simple one-piece type of leather strap. It's different from the other padded one that I showed in another video. So this is more simple. Show you the material, the thickness. Yeah, there you go. If you like this strap, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.